Halo-halo and you share with mommy the halo-halo, yeah?
Daddy, look! Daddy, the balloon from the sweet cake, it's free.
Dynamite, hotdog, sisig, or empanada. Daddy's tatlo, 10.
Credited.
Yan ang order ni Yaman. Pang ko daw yung hotdog nila. Sisig ulit. Hihita na.
Hi.
Medyo sumalap sa soup.
Kain tayo. Hotdog. How?
Natin halo-halo ni Indiano. Hindi na ako sanay kumain ng malamig. Daddy, anong masasabi mo sa mga kinain mo?
Pwede.
Nak, what can you say with the food that you eat today?
It's good.
Really?
10 out of 10.
Who's excited?
I just go down the slide and... Good idea.
You got tired na? Yeah? Let me see your medyas. Let me see. Yay! Mga bantay.
Shut up, pare.
Isang oras na kami naghihintay. Woo! Tired na? You wanna go home na? Got tired na na. 5 minutes na mo. Ha? 10,000. Ang dalawang bantay. We're going home na. Did you enjoy, anak? What can you say?
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, enjoy na ka?
Yeah.
Oh, we're going home na. Bye! Night market. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
At maghahanap kami ng taxi. Now it's 10:15. At kami pauwi na. Hanap na lang kami ng taxi sa malapit. Ayan, ayan, ayan!